Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is a reminder clip for the intermediate class at the Kenn Centre on the 31st of January 2023. We did a first move walk around, a step across sway, a catapult sway and a man basket. Now if you want teaching details for any of those moves, there are links to the teaching videos for each of them in the description below, and this is how they all went together. We went 7 and 8. First move walk around, back, in, walk, walk, twist, twist, turn, face, return for the step across sway, catch the hip, round the back, twist out, in, around, straight for the catapult. We go a sweep, lean, wrap to the sway, back, forwards, away, switch hands, 2 hands for the man basket, walk the lady into the break, out and look. That was the whole thing. Hope you find what we're doing useful. Do like, subscribe and hit the bell, because that way you'll know every time a new video comes out, and you'll be helping to promote the channel, which we really do appreciate, so thank you everyone who does that. Music recommendation on the end is something nice to practice this routine to. That'll come up in one of the windows in the last few seconds of the video, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.